Zalige tiles start out as a simple mixture of clay and water. Fez has remained a center for Zalige partly because of these rocks. They're considered some of the best materials in the region for making high-quality clay. First, an artisan tosses the rocks into a pit in the ground called a zuba. They fill the zuba with water and leave the rocks to soften for a day. An artisan kneads the clay using their hands and feet to make it more malleable. The artisan places the clay into a mold, smoothing it over with one hand so the surface is flat. After molding hundreds of tiles, they leave the clay to dry under the sun. The next stage is vital to ensuring the tiles will remain intact. Once each piece is perfectly square, the tiles dry again under the sun. Finally, it's time for the clay to head to the kiln. Heat doesn't circulate evenly in a traditional Moroccan kiln, which is why each tile, even those with the same color glaze, will have a slightly different shade.